পাছ আউট কৰিছোঁ আৰু মোৰ ঘৰ গোসাইগাঁও আৰু মই গোসাইগাঁও কলেজত পাৰ্ট টাইম জব কৰি আছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you.
নমস্কাৰ, মোৰ নাম জয়শ্ৰী চৰকাৰ। মই 2024 এছামিজ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ পৰা পাছ আউট কৰিছোঁ। বৰ্তমান মই চাবৰগাঁও কলেজত কণ্টেষ্ট হিচাপে কাম কৰি আছোঁ।
Thank you so much.
নমস্কাৰ, মোৰ নাম নন্দিতা ৰায়। মই 2025ত বড়োলেণ্ড ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিৰ পৰা পাছ আউট কৰিছোঁ আৰু মই এতিয়া BEd কৰি আছোঁ।
Thank you so much.
I did my master's degree in 2017 in this university, and currently now I'm doing my PhD in a department of Center for Global Studies in this university. Thank you.
Thank you.
गिबियावनो बयनिसिमबो आंनि गोसो गोरबोनिफ्राय खुलुमनायखौ जासिहरग्रोबाय। आंनि मुङा उदांस्रि नार्जारी। आङो 2018आव बे इउनिभार्सिटिनिफ्रायनो MA खौ पास आउट जादों। बेनिफ्राय आङो दा बड'लेण्ड इउनिभार्सिटियावनो बर' डिपार्टमेन्टआव गेस्ट फेकाल्टि महरै खामानि मावगासिनो दं आरो बे इउनिभार्सिटियावनो बर' डिपार्टमेन्टआवनो रिसार्चबो खालामगासिनो दं। थेंक इउ।
Good morning, respected dignitaries present here. My name is Manasi Devali, and I have completed my post-graduation in economics in 2020, and currently I am pursuing my PhD in economics under the guidance of Dr. Sujay Sabasumutali sir. Thank you.
Namaskar to all my respected teachers, professors, and my dear friends. My name is Jyoti Bhagat. I have cleared my master's degree from this university in the Department of Economics, and now I am pursuing my PhD program from this university. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to everyone. Myself, Dayton Islai. I passed out my master's degree in 2018 from the Department of History. Right now, I'm working as assistant teacher in Tukrajar Higher Secondary. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sri Vijay Singhana. I am from Suklari, Uttarpuri. I have completed my master's in economics from this university in the year of 2023. Currently, I am pursuing my PhD in the Department of Economics. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sri Narzari, and I completed my master's in the year 2020 from the Department of Economics, and currently I am doing research in the Department of Economics. Thank you.
Good morning, each and everyone present here. My name is Bijan Bosmatari. I have passed out my master's from BU on 2020. Currently, I am a faculty of the Department of Economics in Don Bosco College, Chapakuri. Thank you.
Namaskar. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Hemant Sarma, and I did my master's in the year of 2014 from the Bodoland University, and currently I am working as Vice Principal of Bodoland College. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gajit Kumar Brahma, and I have done my master's from the Department of Economics, and I am still searching for the best opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is David Liman Bosundari. I have passed out from this university in 2021 from the Department of History. And recently I have cracked the PhD 2024, and I have been appointed as Excise Inspector. Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm stopping it here for a second. So we are having a felicitation. So therefore, in order to continue that, I'm requesting our anchor to come over here, please. Yeah. So it's a great joy for all of us. So this year we at least were having 3 of our alumnus clearing Assam Public Service Commission exam. And he is one of them. I personally have contacted all the 3, but 2 they are some.
I'm Farina Nazari, and I'm currently pursuing PhD from Department of Political Science.
आङो नैरोजा नैजिब्रै मायथाइयाव बर' बिफाननिफ्राय एम ए कमप्लिट खालामदोंमोन दायो आङो न'आव ओरैनो दंथ'यो।
खुलुमबाय बयनिसिमबो गिबि गिबियावनो फुंबिलिनि गोजोन हामलायनाय जासिहरनाय थाबाय। आंनि मुङा प्रिथिबि नार्जारि। आं बिजनि सुबाइजारनिफ्राय फैदों। आं नैरोजा नैजिब्रै मायथाइयाव बड' डिपार्टमेन्टनिफ्राय पास आउट जादों। ओमफ्राय आं दायो गामि खाथियावनो मोनसे प्राइभेट स्कुलाव एसिस्टेन्ट फोरोंगिरि हिसाबै खामानि मावगासिनो दं। गोजोन्थों।
खुलुमबाय बयनिसिमबो। आंनि मुङा बिन्जा औवारि। आं दुर्गासा बाथौबारिनिफ्राय फैदों। आं नैरोजा नैजिब्रै मायथाइयाव बड'लेण्ड इउनिभार्सिटिनिफ्रायनो एम ए कमप्लिट खालामदों। दा आङो बङाइगाव डाइट कलेजाव बि ए फरायगासिनो दं। गोजोन्थों।
खुलुमबाय बयनिसिमबो। आंनि मुङा आस्ति इस्लारि। आङो क्लास 9 फैदों। आं दा बङाइगाव बङाइगाव आङो बि ए लागासिनो दङ। ओमफ्राय आङो सजों 24 आङो बेनिफ्राय एम ए पास आउट जादों।
खुलुमबाय बयनिसिमबो। आंनि मुङा जराय नार्जारि। आं बिजनिनिफ्राय फैदों। आङो 2024 आव एम ए खौ कमप्लिट जादों।
खुलुमबाय आंनि मुङा जल'गयारि। आङो 2025-26 आव बर' डिपार्टमेन्टनिफ्राय पास आउट जादोंमोन। आङो दा ओरैनो दंथ'यो।
खुलुमबाय आङो इउकि इसवारि। आङो थिल्लाव अक्सिगरि आमथेनिफ्राय फैदों। ओमफ्राय दायो बर्थमान बड'लेण्ड इउनिभार्सिटियाव पार्सनेल सेक्रेटारि टु दा भाइस चेन्सेलर हिसाबै मावनानै दङ। थेंक इउ।
मालानि बेसमेन्ट?
हेल' आंनि बैसोआ बिराद फुराना 2009 2009 जोबथुमोनलै।
गुड मर्निं आंनि मुङा रकि नार्जारि। आङो 2010 आवहाय आं पास आउट जादों। आं दा ओरैनो दंथ'यो।
Thank you so much.
ओमफ्राय
Good morning. My name is Rituras Kosmokari and I passed out my post-graduation from Bodoland University in the year 2018 and currently I am pursuing PhD in the Department of Political Science, Bodoland University since 2024.
Namaste, good morning. Respected invited guests, dignitaries, faculty members, my fellow alumni, juniors, my dear students. So, from a junior to a senior and then to an alumni, it was an incredible journey, very pleasant one. So, I am Chandrima Sen from the Department of English, Bodoland University. I have been serving since 2009 and I completed my post-graduation during the year 2007 when it was Guwahati University Kokrajhar campus. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. So we are also having one of our friends.
I'm very happy to be stand here because Solomon has informed me in the last evening, yesterday evening, that we'll be having an alumni from Argentine. So I'm very happy to be here. Dear respected guests and dear alumni friends, I'm currently working as an assistant professor in Central Institute of Technology. I'm one of the very old members of this institute. I did my master's degree in the year 2007 and then I started my PhD and complete PhD in 2019. So I have a very close connection with the Bodoland University. So it's my pleasure once again, if any kind of like event for alumni from alumni year, I'm very close connected with that. So hopefully that kind of activities will be there. That is very necessary. We will discuss later when the session will come. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sir. We were
over here. Myself, Udit Kumar Singh. Recently, I have done my MSc. I am from Physics Department and I have done my MSc in the year 2019. And then I enrolled PhD program in CIT Kokrajhar, and I recently, in February, 11 February 2026, I have completed my PhD. So, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected sir and ma'am, and all my friends. My name is Bodoland University. I completed my master degree in 2019 from the Department of Bodo. Currently, I am doing PhD in Bodo Department. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, respected House, respected invited guests. Myself, Dr. Rustam Brahmo. Actually, I am also one of the alumni of this institute, University, Bodoland University Alumni campus. So I did my master's in 2001 and 2002. We are the students, the PG students of this Alumni campus, Bodoland University, which was upgraded to State University. And I also did my PhD from this institution. I completed PhD in 2019. So right now I'm working as an associate professor in the Department of English. So I'm very happy to meet all my friends here. Thank you.
ডিগ্ৰী অসমীয়া বিভাগৰ পৰা লাভ কৰিছোঁ আৰু মই বৰ্তমান BEd কৰি আছোঁ ৰেলৱালী BEd কলেজ বিজনী ধন্যবাদ
My dear seniors and all of my friends, I'm Panjali Brahmo from Economics Department, and I passed out from this university in the year 2022. And currently I am in private school as a subject teacher. Thank you.
Good morning, dear seniors. I'm Zabang Suntari. I recently passed out from the Economics Department in 2024.